Did you know that 64% of users are likely to buy a product after watching a video? If you want to boost your e-commerce business, especially on Amazon, start video marketing. Today, I'll show you how to create video ads in minutes using JoggAI, an AI tool that simplifies video ad creation for Amazon. First, simply copy and paste your product link into JoggAI. The tool will automatically analyze the link and pull out the text and visuals for you. Next, you'll want to set your video preferences. This includes choosing the aspect ratio, video length, and your target audience. You can even select the language to reach different markets. Now, choose your favorite script style generated by JoggAI. If you want to make it your own, just click the Edit button to customize the script. Choose an avatar and a template that fits your brand. Use the Quick Edit function to adjust the layout and images, or use Pro Edit for more detailed changes like modifying the script, avatars, layout, text, and more. You can also make precise adjustments to each element. If you're struggling to find the best performing creative, JoggAI's batch mode lets you quickly create multiple customized video ads. Test different versions to find the one that boosts clicks and engagement. Finally, click the Render button. That's it. JoggAI will deliver personalized, compelling video ads to convert more viewers into buyers.